What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing ELEKID from Pokemon. Let's get started in the center of our page with the upper eyelid. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side and draw a straight angled line going up and then out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then we'll go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Starting on the left, curve in and then up. And do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the outside, step in, curve the eye, coming down, and then we'll bend that in. And then from here we're going to curve the bottom of the eye, coming in, and then up towards the bottom of the brow. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside of the eye. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a half oval, coming down, and then up. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Let's move to the center and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start right in the middle with a straight line, from left to right. And then we'll add a fang on either side. Starting back on the left, come down and out. Then we'll angle this up and out towards the eyes. Now we're going to open up the mouth. We're going to start on the left side of the fang, draw a half oval. Coming down, rounding out the mouth, and pulling that up on the right. And then we'll add the edge of the tongue, starting back on the left, curve up the middle, and then back down. Now we're going to move up to the top and draw those two long fins. Let's start on top of the left eye. Start with a straight line going all the way up towards the top. Let's line this up on the right, go all the way up towards the same height. Now I'm going to draw another line on the outside. From the top, step out, draw that same length line coming all the way down. And then we'll close off the top, starting back on the left, curve up, and then down on the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the top corner of the fin, curve in and then down with a short line. And we'll pull this straight down towards the top of the head, to right about there. Let's close off the center of the head, starting back on the left, curve up, and then down. And then we'll add a crease on either side. We're going to connect the top to the bottom with a curve, going out and then down. Let's add two holes on the inside of the fin. We're going to start on the left, let's draw an oval, going all the way around, and then back up. Line this up on the right. Now we're going to move out and draw a large oval for the body. Starting from the bottom of the fin, let's step up, let's curve the left side, going out, down, and then in towards the middle. And then we'll work our way up along the right side. Going out, up, and then pulling that in on the right. Let's add some detail to the body. We're going to start with that lightning bolt in the center. Let's start underneath the mouth, start with a straight line. And then from the left, angle down and out. Come down and in. And then come down and out towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the right, angle down and in. Angle down and out. And we'll pull this down towards that bottom point. And now we're going to move out to the side and draw two thick stripes on either side. Let's start on the left, curve down, and then in. Line this up on the right. Let's flatten off the inside with a short line. And we'll follow that same curve going out and up toward the side of the body. Let's add another stripe just underneath. We'll start on the left, curve down and in. Just lining this up with the inside edge. Draw a short line coming down. And then again, just curving out and up towards the side. Let's move down to the bottom and draw on the legs. We're going to leave a large gap in the center. Start on the left, curve out, and then down towards the ankle. Move over towards the right. And do the same thing. Now I'm going to round out the bottom. Starting back on the left, curve down, and then up. Now from the outside of the ankle, we're going to curve the leg, coming in and then up underneath the body. Let's go back to the left side and draw the outside of the foot. Starting from the bottom corner of the ankle, and curve out, round out the foot, and then pull that in towards the bottom. And then from here, it's going to curve in, round out the heel, and then pull that up towards the inside of the ankle. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start on the left side, curve the arm going out and then down. Line this up on the right. And then we'll round out the bottom of the arm. Starting back on the left, straight down, round out the hand, and then go up on the outside. Now I'm going to pull the arm coming back in towards the side of the body. Let's start on the outside, go up, and then bend that in. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down. And we'll add 3 claws along the bottom of the hand. Let's start on the inside, start with a straight line coming in, and go up and out in behind the arm. And we'll add 2 claws along the bottom. On the left side, step out, come down and up like a V, leave a small gap, and draw that one more time. Now we're going to draw 2 thick stripes on either side. Let's start on the outside of the arm, curve down and then up, step up, and draw that twice. We'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw 1 more stripe. Stepping up, curve down and up, step up, draw that twice. Line this up on the right, draw the bottom line, step up, close off the top, and that's pretty much it. There's ELEKID from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.